Hello guys, magandang araw. Ito guys, luto na naman tayo ng patatas with corned beef. Ito guys, niluto ko na yung sibuyas at saka yung bawang. And then patatas yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng ating Himalaya salt saka black pepper. So ngayon guys, luto na yung ating patatas. Titikman natin guys kung malambot na. Yan. Sarap. Lalagyan na natin yung ating corned beef guys. What's this? What's this, Silbang? So come hold. Put the... Nalagyan na natin yung corned beef guys. Yan. Ating corned beef na may patatas. Ayan guys. Super yummy. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Nandiyan yung ating patatas na may corned beef. Okay guys, that's for today. Thank you for watching. That is our recipe for today. Corned beef na may patatas. Try nyo guys. Bye bye. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.